Am I live now? I think I am. Trying to figure it out. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me. Okay, yeah, I am, yeah. Sweet. What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing good. It's the last day of the week. Last trading day. It's been a bearish week too. It's pretty crazy. I haven't had a bearish week in a long time. My week's been good, man. It's been good. Got my live account. Just trying to build that up. Thanks, FX. Yeah, sweet. Yo, yo, yo. Good to see you too, Sylvia. James, my man, what's up, bro? How's it going? Hope everybody's doing good. Yo, B, what's up? What up, B? Yeah, I was actually kind of pissed that this played out. I had this level mark, this like minor resistance right here. I was hoping to be a part of it. I kind of wanted a small body here with a wick at the bottom, because then it would have looked really good on the 30 coming into Asia Open, you know. Thanks, Trail Daddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, I wanted to be part of this, like when we were filling this range here to the left. That would have been sick. But yeah, we filled most of it after. So now at this point, I'm just going to wait till we gravitate up to here if we do. If there's any problems with the quality or anything, let me know too, because I'm using my older computer right now. I got a new one coming in, but I got most of the stuff arrived for the setup, so I figured I'd just try and do it on this computer. What's up, Paul, my man? Paul is a friggin' legend. Grant, let's go. We got Grant here. Okay, sweet. Thanks, Sam. Thanks, B. Yo, Shamdog. Shamantha, how's Greg? Carly, what's up? Man, everybody's showing up. This is crazy. Thank you, guys. Really appreciate everybody coming out. It's so sick. Touch loud. Oh my gosh, Ariel, I read that. Friggin' everything sounds crap at first. I think that should fix the volume a bit. Is the music better now? Thanks, Bluey. Yeah, I'm standing, man. I'm trying to lose that weight, bro. Is the volume of the music a bit better now? Alright, sweet. Thanks. Appreciate that for letting me know. Yeah, I got my Macca's coffee. It's black. Notice it's black because I'm friggin' trying to be healthy. Sup, Mitch, Seth? Everybody's showing up. This is so sick. Hi, Dream. What's up, man? Yeah, I goes to McDonald's like every day and I orders a iced coffee black. And every now and then they puts liquid sugar in it when I ask for nothing in it. And I gotta drive back and be like, dude, I comes here every day and I ask for nothing in it and you guys still put sugar in it sometimes. Like, bruh. Thanks, Bluey. Appreciate that, man. I got a friggin' 49-inch curved monitor. It's gigantic. But it's good though. It was kind of hard to set it up, to be honest, because it was so heavy, and like I was trying to clip it in on the desk. Nice, let's go, Seth. Welcome. You're part of the army now. The Pez army. Orem, what's up, bro? You shall be a loyal servant. Yeah, Orem actually recommended to me that I get the Odyssey, the 49-inch monitor. It's pretty, yeah, it's good. I'm really happy with it. I like that I can have like the different displays and stuff, and I don't have to have separate monitors, which is good. But yeah, I am hoping that we gravitate up to this level for sure. I was looking at the daily. I was already looking at the charts a bit, and the friggin' daily looks juicy to push up a little bit today. Maybe like leave a bit more of a wick on the weekly. Showing a lot of rejection. Filled some of this wick. Flipped green. Closed with a bit of strength. The weekly is, even if it did push up today, the weekly would still be pretty bearish, so I can see it leaving a bit more of a wick, and you know, maybe closing a little bit green here on the last day of the week, maybe. So we'll see about that. I don't really want it to break out on this candle, just because it'll be so extended green. It'd be like almost 200 ticks green. Ultimate happiness, what's up, bro? Yeah, I trade futures, yeah. Let's go. First day joining on your first day. Thank you, man. Thank you. Cheers to many more, hopefully. Isaac, my man. OG from the mentorship. Isaac joined like right after me. In the, yeah, I think you were in the first intake too. Within like the first couple weeks, eh? The Daniel Holmes Trades mentorship, man. That's just fire. My mentorship, you have to, let's see. Let me think. What am I going to charge? Should be, for you, I'd say you'd have to feed me grapes for a week whenever I want, and you're in. Yeah, sick, Orem. Appreciate that. Thanks, Isaac. You're in, Grant? In a trade? I'm guessing after 30. If you are. Yeah, I thought you guys would be in that maybe. I was looking at it, but closed a bit too far up for me. Looks sick on the 30 though. Damn. Hourly looked good too. Yeah, that actually would have been a really good trade, to be honest. The great mentorship, yeah. The great mentorship. Yeah, I was saying at the beginning of the stream, I don't know if you guys were here, but I was looking at it beforehand, and I was hoping that we would kind of hang out down here and then close without filling a lot of this range, but we filled like over half of it, so I stayed out. Sylvia's been in long since down here. Still holding them. Almost tapped right at break even, but no, not yet. Did you guys take that in the Discord? On stream? 9 weeks. Yeah, that's exactly how long we've been green, eh? W. Imagine being in for that long, like as soon as we went on that massive tear. On leverage too. That'd be crazy. Yo. What's up, boss? Yeah, sick. So you guys are done now. That's crazy, man. You guys are just done like that. First candle of the trading day. First friggin' session open. Done. Start your weekend, man. That's what I'd be doing. Yo, Matthew. Yo. Zunair, my man. What pisses me off now is this is going to close above. I have a feeling. And when it does, it'll be like already this big on a 30 and another 15-minute candle. And all the way green from down here. Can't do it, man. Can't do it. But I want to really bad. Yeah, no, Matthew. That was a good trade, man. That was a good trade. I just didn't like how it was like kind of dozy with equal wicks on each side and pretty strong too. If it looked a little bit different, then I probably would have taken it. Time for you to go surfing, Shem. Yeah, W, man. For sure. Even the 15 was like okay. Considering the hourly and the 30 looks so good. But yeah, the 15 just kind of kept me out of it. Yeah, hang around, Shem. Yeah, for sure. Jack, what's up? I'm not really in a rush to take anything either. No, I never jack. Just because I was just explaining that this 15 was like kind of too strong for me to want to participate here. And like equal wicks on each side kept me out of it. But I was eyeing it before the stream. Like, man, I hope this closes that the way I want it to. And then it never. That's it though. Yeah. Just needed it to be a little bit different on the 15 and I would have been all over it. For sure. Yeah, we need Ken in here, eh? Sham, I was dying at the picture you sent in the Discord when you zoomed in on Ken's profile pic. And it was like this old man. And he was like, my addiction is freaking making me want to enter. Yeah, this is my first stream, yeah. Thanks, Purple Tip. Appreciate that. Yeah, really appreciate that. This is my first stream, yeah. But it turned out to not even be him, though, so that kind of sucked. He posted a picture in fitness right after. He's like this jack teenager. So many memories in the Discord, dude. So many friggin' memories. So many good laughs. Oh, Shibby. Shibby, you're hitting me with the roast. Yeah, I did actually. No, I got it from Best Buy, which is like similar to Walmart. There, I said it. Crazy beat. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Shame, that's crazy. So funny. Oh man, yeah. Anybody got Venmo? Send me your Venmo. I'll send you some money. Yeah, I'll give you guys a W signal soon. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, what, Grant? Thanks, Peter. Brains melting, yeah, I'd say. Yeah, for sure, Bluey. Can you transfer V-Bucks? Because I think I got like 15 million of them. I'm a massive Fortnite fan. All I do is play Fortnite. Yeah, damn meat. It's just even if it did break out on Forex, or even if it did break out on futures, I'd be waiting for some red anyways. But what I want the most right now is a candle like this. Wait, what the heck? There we go. This is how I do. Filled rectangle. I had it wrong. A candle like this with a wick like that, and then a candle like this. Then I'd want to participate for sure. Want to get some support created before I get into a buy position. Don't really want to enter if it's a little bit extended one color. Oh, I get it now, Grant. I'm slow, sorry. Shame, you only just subbed? Bro, what the heck? I'm disappointed. It will make the 30 look weird, yeah, but honestly, just being structured that I could participate in. I mean, the 30 would look like that, and then a little wick down and push up. It wouldn't be that weird. Wait, did my camera just die? Seriously? There's no way. Okay, I don't even know why that just happened, but hopefully it don't happen again. And it just happened again. Okay, well that sucks. It's gone black for you guys too, right? I don't even know what to freaking do, man. I'm so new to this shit that I don't know what to do. I might have to just end it, to be honest, because it's such a fuck around to get my camera down the way I got it set up. really don't know why that's happening though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just smash the camera on the ground and try and fix it. Hold on, let me unplug and plug some shit back in. That's a smart way to do things. No, that didn't do anything. I don't think it's overheated. It shouldn't be. Oh yeah, I don't know what to freaking do, guys, honestly. I'm a complete noob to this shit, not gonna lie. Massive L. My debut. Zunair, I just kind of get my bias for today by looking at the higher time frames, looking at the structure on there. But yeah, might have to just end it, to be honest. I have no clue what to do. Yeah, I've already restarted it. Maybe I can do this. Oh, I'm back. I don't know what I did, but I did something. W. Okay. See how long that lasts for. It wasn't even the camera. I just went into my settings on OBS and I changed the input and then I changed it back and then I was there. So yeah, I'm back. I thought my camera was like melting down or something my first time using it, but yeah, it was just OBS, I think. Massive dubs in chat. Good thing I didn't just end it and like give up right away. Yeah, W on him. I was that close to just cutting it and being like, man, I don't even know what went wrong. Yes, give us some red, please. Yeah, I'm not even like super familiar with it either. I mean, like years ago, I tried to friggin' stream some Call of Duty. I played a lot of Warzone. And I tried to stream that a couple times, but I had no clue what I was doing. Orem is the friggin' Apex player, and I was the Warzone player. Couldn't play with each other because if I played Apex, then Orem would get pissed at me for being shit, and if he played Warzone, I would get pissed at him for being shit. It is basically 10 p.m. Yeah, Grant, I think I am, yeah. I didn't bother figuring it out today, but next week for sure, yeah. Just cause, dude, it took me like all day to get this stuff set up. Like legit all day. I think I'm gonna mess with the overlay a bit and stuff too. Make that a bit better and get my TikTok stream going at the same time. Have a lot more people to answer back to for sure. Yeah, definitely, man. TikTok is really good for that stuff, eh? I'm thinking about kind of doing what Dan does sometimes and not having my chart on there. And then, yeah, I was going to say I'm going to have like text on the screen that says full chart on YouTube or something. Maybe. Think we might end up being here for a while because I pussied out on that first trade. Gonna have to wait for some structure definitely at this point, especially if we're closing green on this candle. Yeah. I gotta start selling my mentorship for like $20,000. Not even do any calls, no one-on-ones. Just like a 3-video course for $20,000. Raja Banks, I don't even know who TTE is, but yeah, Raja Banks I trade a little bit similarly to. Basic price action on the 15 and the 30 and beyond, basically. What sessions? I think mostly Asia at this point. Yeah, mostly Asia. I might do New York sometimes too, but we'll see. Oh yeah, is that right? Never heard of him. I think 30-minute closure is too much green. Well, if we get a small body red on this candle, I'm going to be in for a buy. Put it that way. But I'm going to need this candle to like close one sec. Like that. I'm going to need that to enter a buy position. Anything else? No, thank you. Nice, B. Dude, I Burns 8 calling you B. And we got B and we got Crazy B. Oh, Nick, is that the guy who prays before every trade and stuff? I feel like I did see him. Yeah, exactly, Shem. That's what I'm thinking, man. I do hope we get a trade. My first stream, that'd be sick. Even if it's a loss, I just want a reason to enter a good trade. If it loses, it loses. If it wins, it wins. I just want to take a good trade on stream, my first stream. Oh, okay. Yeah, sweet. Bettina. Am I pronouncing that right? Bettina? That's a very unique name. It's nice though. Yeah, W name for sure. Yeah. So we got my green streak is over, but it was friggin' insane. I can't believe I went that long with all green days. That's actually insane. Like, I never imagined that would ever happen. I remember like after like 4 months of trading, I went green for 2 weeks, and literally just going 2 weeks friggin' blew my brain like to pieces, to smithereens. And then to go like, I don't know if it was 6 or 7 weeks. Yeah, 6 or 7 weeks with nothing but green days. I literally was like, every day I was pooing my pants like, holy shit. Still green. Tomorrow, Seth. Just bought a plane ticket. I'm gone out there. Thanks, Seth. Dude, it's been crazy watching yours too, man. Everybody who joins the mentorship when they first join, they have no clue what they're doing, honestly. Like the trades they post, like you, Seth, when you first joined, it's actually kind of funny. And like same thing with Shem, everybody who joins when they have no clue like anything about this Stratton specifically. Like it's really cool to see their growth. Because, I mean, Seth, you improved a lot. Shem did too. After like 4 months, the difference between your guys' trades is like so sick to see. Yeah, for sure, Rad. Rad, you just joined Daniel's mentorship like 2 weeks ago, I think, right? Maybe a little bit longer. Three, okay. Yeah. Well, it's doing that shit again. I wonder if this will fix it again. The same thing I did last time. No, it never. Damn. Hold on. Yeah, I know, Worm. I'm gonna fix it here now. I'm gonna try to fix it anyways. Hopefully this is not like a repeat thing where this happens all the time. Okay, I'm back. Yes, sir. We're back again and again and again and again. Do you guys like the deep house in the background? I find deep house is like the absolute best you can get for copyright free music. Not that this is monetized, but maybe it will be eventually. And I don't want to like get used to having sick music in the background, because then if I ever do have to switch to copyright free, it's just gonna suck. So I'm locked, Jedi. Don't worry, man. I'm always locked. Always locked, dude. Never not locked. Put it that way. Except for like all the time when it comes to my diet. Oh, nice. We're actually rejecting back out of the range now. That's pretty sick. 7 minutes left. If we can like hang out here, close a little bit smaller body, we might get a buy position. But everything's good quality though, is it? Like the audio quality, video, all that stuff's good? Yeah, sure, Orm. That would be a buy basically, because when we reach this level here, like obviously this is a key level where price is going to react to. But we came up to it being super overextended green already at that point, so wasn't very interested in getting involved either way, just because statistically by this point we're going to get a red eventually. The 30-minute was also open at the same time around this point. Now that we've closed outside of this range and engulfing a lot of this nonsense, basically we have two 15-minute candles within this 30, and if we took off on the first one, it wouldn't be high enough probability that we would keep going without chilling down here for longer and tapping stop loss. But if we create some support on the 15, finally print a red, and get an opportunity to enter at the break of the previous, once this one closes, then yeah, I'll be in for a buy then. I definitely don't like that there's a lot of this mess to the left here, because I feel like with price reacting with so much indecision for so long, it might find it tough to push through that with ease, but who knows. Damn, my camera left again. I'm gonna have to figure out something about that. Maybe when I switch to my new computer, it might be better. Or maybe I don't have OBS updated or something. Hold on. Yeah, for sure, man. That's another thing too. If anybody has any questions, like if there's any newbies here that don't know what they're doing, then ask away. I don't really know what I'm doing either, but yeah. Yeah, it's all good, Sham. Yeah. After this, now I'm gonna head over to Walmart, get myself an energy drink. Stay up till London. No, I'm just playing. Well, it's not really that anything usually happens. It's just that, you know, when you see price kind of wick around like this for so long, you know, I see it as like an area in price where there's some indecision of which way it wants to go, and once it enters this area, you know, it could be a little bit tougher to get through. But we do have clean range, one color, and the closest left isn't super wicky. It is a little bit, but yeah, it's good enough for me to enter something for sure. But you know, one thing, even if this closes back within the range, I think something I would be interested in is if, I'll draw it out. Like, say we close like this on this candle now, and then the next one kind of goes down a bit further in the wick, and then kind of closes with a little bit of strength but a lot of rejection. On the 30, that'll just be some support. The 30 would look like this. So it would be some support showing rejection. And the hourly would be, I mean, yeah, if this closed a little bit higher, like what I was visualizing in my head, it would be breaking above this level. So if it was like up there, then the hourly would be like this. Still, the hourly would still be engulfing a lot of this. The 15 would be closing with a green body, and the 30 would be closing with a red body, but still looking overall bullish with some minor support created. So in that situation, maybe I would take a buy, but that's like a long ways ahead. Sorry, Seth, I didn't see your message there at first, but maybe Seth, I don't think you've been doing it for that long, though. I mean, it took me like 5 months to get funded, I think. 5 or 6, yeah. Yeah, that'll just come with time, Orum. That'll just come with time, bro. Freaking lost my camera again. Keep saying no signal on Elgato. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. But I feel like it's OBS more than anything though. Yeah, you're a newbie to friggin' the 15-minute time frame. You're not a newbie to the 1 minute though. It's pretty much been 10 months for me now, Seth. Like at the end of October, it'll have been 10 months because it was like right at January I started. I mean, I knew about trading for a long time, but yeah, when it comes to like actually locking in and being like, I'm doing this, it was the beginning of January. Oh my gosh, you're not hitting me with the Bane quote. You can't be doing that. If Bane was a trader, though, that's what he'd be saying, 100%. I've never looked at it, no. I mean, for a laugh sometimes, yeah, but I've never really like opened up a chart and been like on to 1 minute thinking I'm taking a trade based off this. Wow, Seth. That sucks, dude. Wow. Jack. I'm way too sharp for that, bro. Way too sharp. There's no way you're getting me with that. Bro, did it seriously just go black again that quick? No, I'm not, bro. I know nothing about this shit. I'm used to being the guy in the chat trolling. I'm not used to being the one on the camera, so bound to have some issues. This is my first time. I mean, I don't really know what to show you, but one sec. I'll show you after Orem, after stream, and we'll do a little private one and try and figure it out. For now, I'll just keep doing this though. Yeah, 100%. Honestly, there is something that could happen that would get me interested in a sell, to be honest. Yeah, it could be. I don't even know what that means, but yeah. I'll talk to you about it after for sure. If this candle were to close back within the range and maybe wick up even more and then close like that, that could be something maybe for a sell. I haven't really thought about it too much. Wouldn't be super cool on the 30. The hourly would be failing to break out. Maybe if it wicked up a bit and then pushed back down, yeah, could make sense. But it would have to close back within the range, so it would have to for a sell. Yeah. Yeah, I was just talking about that, Shame. I actually wouldn't be a big fan of the 30 compared to the 15 and the hourly, just because the 30, like, unless it were to come down and close small body red, then it would like show more strength on the 30. Because even if it closes like small body green, there'd still be more of a wick at the bottom and barely retesting this shit. Yeah. That's a question I have to ask myself. If it closes below that resistance, but it looks really good on the 30 and the hourly, am I going to take a buy position? Like, if it were to close like that, am I going to buy it as if it's a 30-minute type one with support? Maybe. At this point, with only 5 minutes left, not rejecting down here very much and closing so close to the resistance, I would prefer if it presented a sell opportunity, I think. Let's see here. Damn it, did it again. Seems like when I switch the property and then turn my camera off and then turn it back on and then switch it back to the Elgato, it works. I don't know why, but that's what I've been doing. Do I limit one or two like Dan? Do you mean do I like close partials? Close partials sometimes, yeah. Yeah, legit, bro. This is so friggin' annoying though, not gonna lie. I mean, we might as well just put a level right here at this point. So close to it, only 2 minutes left. I think I'm gonna want it to close above to enter. It looks so primed on the 30 and the hourly though, eh? Brady, my man, what's up, bro? Mr. I'm locking in on trading and then never does it again has joined the chat. Oh, man, some volume just kicked in. That's for sure. I'm going to do it based on the 30. 15 is terrible, but yeah. If it creates much more of a bottom wick, I'm probably gonna sand it down and wait for a closure above and then some more structure maybe. It's black iced coffee. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this anymore. The volume is just insane though. I almost want to enter with 2 minis. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. It looks so good on the 30, dude. Filled like the entire wick on the 30. Still lots of time left on the candle. Even the first 15 has lots of time left. Retested the support down here like almost exactly. Makes me more comfortable to have a stop loss there, to be honest. But yeah, we'll see.
Order filled.
Maybe come down a little bit. Right to there, maybe. Oh shit, my video's gone again. Yo, Rodriguez, what's up, man? Delayed? It probably is a bit delayed, yeah. I have that Newfoundland internet, so I got it set on low latency, but yeah, we'll see. Laren, is that how you pronounce your name? Laren? Or is it Laron? Or is it Larone? I'm not sure. It's going good, man. I'm in a trade right now, more so based on the 30 and the hourly than anything, and the fact that when this opened I could see a lot of volume pushing it around. So once we hung out back within the range for a couple minutes and then broke the current wick, I was in for it. The run. Okay, sweet. I think I guessed that the first time. I think I did. LaRon, sweet. Where are you from, LaRon?